Redpoint CDP Online Training. Introduction to Redpoint CDP. Redpoint Customer Data Platform (CDP) is a robust solution designed to help organizations manage and utilize customer data effectively. Here's an overview of its key features and capabilities. 1. Unified Customer Profiles. Redpoint CDP creates a comprehensive, single view of each customer by aggregating data from various sources, including online interactions, CRM systems, transactional data, and more. This unified profile helps in understanding customer behavior and preferences in depth. 2. Data integration. It integrates data from multiple channels and sources, ensuring that all customer information is consolidated into one platform. This includes integration with web, mobile, email, social media, and offline data sources. 3. Real-time data processing. The platform supports real-time data ingestion and processing, allowing organizations to respond to customer interactions and changes promptly. This is crucial for dynamic marketing strategies and personalized customer experiences. 4. Advanced Analytics and Insights. Redpoint CDP provides advanced analytics tools to derive actionable insights from customer data. This includes predictive analytics, segmentation, and trend analysis, helping businesses make data-driven decisions and strategies. 5. Personalization and targeting. With its detailed customer profiles and insights, Redpoint CDP enables highly personalized marketing campaigns and offers. This includes targeted advertising, tailored content recommendations, and personalized email campaigns. 6. Customer Journey Orchestration. The platform allows businesses to map and orchestrate customer journeys across various touchpoints. This helps in delivering a seamless and consistent customer experience from initial engagement to post-purchase support. 7. Privacy and Compliance. Redpoint CDP emphasizes data privacy and compliance with regulations such as GDPR and CCPA. It includes features for data governance, consent management, and secure data handling to ensure compliance. 8. Integration with marketing and sales tools. The CDP integrates with various marketing automation, CRM, and sales tools, allowing for a cohesive technology ecosystem. This integration enhances the efficiency of marketing campaigns and sales processes. 9. Scalability and flexibility. Redpoint CDP is designed to scale with growing data needs and adapt to changing business requirements. It supports a range of use cases from small to enterprise-level implementations. 10. User-friendly interface. The platform offers a user-friendly interface with intuitive dashboards and reporting tools, making it easier for users to navigate and leverage the platform's capabilities without requiring extensive technical expertise. Redpoint CDP Architecture. Redpoint's Customer Data Platform (CDP) architecture is designed to integrate, unify, and activate customer data across various touchpoints and systems. Here's a more detailed look into its architecture. 1. Data ingestion and integration. Data sources. Redpoint CDP connects with a wide range of data sources, including CRM systems, transactional databases, social media, web analytics, and more. ETL/ELT processes. It uses extract, transform, load, ETL, or extract, load, transform, ELT, processes to bring data from these sources into the platform. This involves cleaning, aggregating, and transforming raw data into a usable format. 2. Data unification and identity resolution. Identity resolution. Redpoint CDP applies sophisticated algorithms to merge and deduplicate customer records from various sources, creating a single, comprehensive customer profile. Customer profiles. Unified profiles are created by aggregating data points such as purchase history, interactions, and demographic details. This comprehensive view helps in understanding the customer better. 3. Data storage and management. Data warehouse. The platform utilizes a data warehouse to store structured and unstructured data. This allows for scalable storage and quick retrieval. Data lake. Redpoint may also use a data lake for storing raw data in its native format, enabling advanced analytics and machine learning. 4. Segmentation and analysis. Customer segmentation. Advanced segmentation tools allow users to categorize customers based on behavior, demographics, or other criteria. This enables targeted marketing and personalized experiences. Analytics. The platform offers analytical tools for reporting and insights, helping businesses understand trends, measure performance, and make data-driven decisions. 5. Data activation and orchestration. Campaign management. Redpoint CDP supports campaign management by activating customer data across various marketing channels such as email, SMS, social media, and more. Real-time activation. It enables real-time data activation, ensuring that customer interactions and updates are immediately reflected in campaigns and communications. 6. Compliance and security. Data privacy. The platform ensures compliance with data protection regulations such as GDPR, CCPA, and others. It includes features for data consent management and audit trails. Security. Robust security measures are in place to protect data, including encryption, access controls, and regular security assessments. 7. Integration with external systems. APIs and connectors. Redpoint CDP provides APIs and pre-built connectors to integrate with external systems like marketing automation platforms, sales tools, and customer service systems. Custom integrations. For specific needs, custom integrations can be developed to connect with other business applications and services. 8. Machine learning and AI. Predictive analytics. The platform leverages machine learning algorithms to provide predictive analytics, such as customer churn predictions and recommendation systems. AI-driven insights. AI capabilities help in deriving actionable insights from complex data sets and optimizing marketing strategies. 9. User interface and experience. Dashboard and reporting. An intuitive user interface provides dashboards and reporting tools for easy access to key metrics and insights. Data integration with Redpoint CDP. Redpoint Customer Data Platform, CDP, focuses on data integration and management to create a unified view of customer data. Here's an expansive look at how data integration works with Redpoint CDP. 1. Data sources integration. Redpoint CDP integrates with a wide variety of data sources. CRM systems. integrate with Salesforce, HubSpot, Microsoft Dynamics, etc. Marketing platforms connects to platforms like Adobe Experience Cloud, Marketo, Eloqua. Transactional systems interfaces with ERP systems, financial systems, etc. Social media pulls data from platforms like Facebook, Twitter, LinkedIn. Web and mobile data integrates with web analytics tools, Google Analytics, Adobe Analytics, and mobile app data. 2. Data ingestion and ETL. Batch processing collects data in bulk at scheduled intervals. Real-time processing streams data as it's generated, ensuring up-to-date information. ETL, extract, transform, load extracts data from various sources, transforms it into a unified format, and loads it into the CDP. 3. Data harmonization. Data cleansing removes duplicates, corrects errors, and standardizes data. Data transformation converts data into a consistent format for unified analysis. Data enrichment adds contextual information, example, demographic data, to enhance customer profiles. 4. Customer profiles. 360-degree view aggregates data from multiple sources to create a comprehensive customer profile. Behavioral data includes interactions, preferences, purchase history, and engagement metrics. Segmentation allows for dynamic segmentation based on behavior, demographics, and other attributes. 5. Data management. Data governance ensures data quality and compliance with regulations like GDPR and CCPA. Access control manages user access to sensitive data through role-based permissions. Data security implements encryption and other security measures to protect data. 6. Integration with analytics and activation. Analytics provides tools for analyzing customer data, generating insights, and building reports. Activation uses customer insights to drive personalized marketing campaigns, product recommendations, and customer journeys. Omnichannel engagement integrates with marketing automation tools to deliver personalized messages across email, social media, web, and mobile channels. 7. APIs and connectors. APIs facilitates integration with external systems for data exchange and synchronization. Connectors pre-built connectors for popular platforms and systems to streamline integration. 8. User interface and reporting. Dashboards customizable dashboards for visualizing data and metrics. Reports generates detailed reports on customer behavior, campaign performance, and more. 9. Scalability and performance. Scalability handles increasing volumes of data and user requests. Performance optimization ensures fast processing and querying of large datasets. Customer data management in Redpoint CDP. Customer data management in Redpoint CDP, a comprehensive overview. 1. Introduction to Redpoint CDP. Redpoint Customer Data Platform, CDP, is designed to help organizations unify, manage, and activate customer data. It provides a comprehensive solution for integrating and analyzing data from various sources to create a single, accurate view of each customer. 2. Key features and capabilities. Data integration and aggregation. Redpoint CDP integrates data from multiple sources, including CRM systems, transactional databases, web analytics, social media, and more. It aggregates this data into a unified customer profile, ensuring a comprehensive view of each customer. Identity resolution. The platform uses advanced algorithms to match and merge data from disparate sources, resolving identity discrepancies and creating a single, accurate customer record. This helps in reducing data duplication and improving data quality. Data governance and privacy. Redpoint CDP ensures compliance with data protection regulations, example GDPR, CCPA, by providing robust data governance tools. It includes features for data anonymization, consent management, and auditing to maintain data privacy and security. Customer segmentation. The platform enables advanced segmentation capabilities, allowing businesses to create dynamic customer segments based on a wide range of criteria, including behavior, demographics, and engagement. This helps in delivering targeted and personalized marketing campaigns. Real-time data processing. Redpoint CDP supports real-time data processing, ensuring that customer profiles are updated instantly with the latest information. This enables businesses to respond quickly to customer interactions and trends. Data activation and orchestration. The platform facilitates the activation of customer data across various channels and touchpoints. It integrates with marketing automation tools, advertising platforms, and other systems to deliver personalized experiences and orchestrate customer journeys. Analytics and reporting. Redpoint CDP provides advanced analytics and reporting features, allowing businesses to analyze customer behavior, track campaign performance, and measure ROI. It includes customizable dashboards and reports for actionable insights. 3 benefits. Enhanced customer understanding. By consolidating data from multiple sources, Redpoint CDP provides a 360-degree view of each customer, helping businesses understand customer preferences, behaviors, and needs more comprehensively. Improved personalization. With accurate and unified customer profiles, businesses can deliver highly personalized experiences and communications, leading to higher engagement and conversion rates. Increased operational efficiency. Redpoint CDP automates data integration and management processes, reducing manual efforts and improving data accuracy. This enhances overall operational efficiency. Regulatory compliance. The platform's data governance features ensure compliance with data protection regulations, reducing the risk of legal issues and enhancing customer trust. Scalable and flexible. Redpoint CDP is designed to scale with business growth and adapt to evolving data needs. Its flexible architecture supports the integration of new data sources and technologies. 4 use cases. Marketing campaigns. Create targeted and personalized marketing campaigns based on unified customer profiles and real-time data. Customer service. Provide better customer service by having access to complete customer information and history. Sales optimization. Enhance sales strategies by understanding customer behavior and preferences, leading to more effective sales pitches. Product development. Use customer insights to inform product development and create products that better meet customer needs. Data quality and governance in Redpoint CDP. Data quality and governance in Redpoint Customer Data Platform (CDP) are crucial for ensuring that your customer data is accurate, reliable, and properly managed. Here's a detailed look at how these aspects are handled in Redpoint CDP. 1. Data quality. A. Data profiling. Redpoint CDP allows for detailed data profiling, which helps in understanding the structure, content, and quality of the data. This involves assessing data completeness, consistency, and accuracy. B. Data cleansing. The platform includes built-in tools for data cleansing. This involves correcting or removing inaccurate, corrupted, or irrelevant data. It includes deduplication, standardization, and validation processes. C. Data enrichment. Redpoint offers integration with third-party data sources to enrich your data. This can include adding missing attributes or enhancing existing data with more detailed information. D. Data validation rules. Users can define and enforce validation rules to ensure data meets specific quality criteria before it is used in analytics or decision-making processes. E. Real-time data monitoring. Redpoint provides real-time monitoring capabilities to track data quality issues as they arise, allowing for immediate intervention and correction. 2. Data governance. A. Data lineage. Redpoint CDP offers comprehensive data lineage tracking. This allows you to trace the flow of data from its origin through various transformations to its final destination, ensuring transparency and accountability. B. Data stewardship. The platform supports data stewardship by allowing organizations to assign roles and responsibilities for data management. Data stewards can oversee data quality, manage data governance policies, and ensure compliance. C. Access control. Robust access control mechanisms are in place to ensure that only authorized users can access or modify data. This includes role-based access controls and auditing capabilities to track data access and changes. D. Compliance management. Redpoint CDP helps in maintaining compliance with various data protection regulations such as GDPR, CCPA, and HIPAA. It includes features for data masking, consent management, and audit trails. E. Data cataloging. A data catalog is maintained to provide a comprehensive view of all data assets, including metadata. This helps in better data management and enables users to understand the data's context and usage. F. Policy management. Users can define and enforce data governance policies, including data retention policies, data access policies, and data usage policies. These policies help in maintaining data integrity and compliance. G. Data governance framework. Redpoint provides a framework for implementing and managing data governance practices. This includes tools for defining data governance strategies, aligning data governance with business objectives, and measuring governance effectiveness. Personalization and targeting with Redpoint CDP. Personalization and targeting with Redpoint CDP, Customer Data Platform, involve leveraging a unified view of customer data to create highly tailored and relevant experiences. Here's a comprehensive look at how Redpoint CDP can be utilized for advanced personalization and targeting. 1. Centralized customer profile. Unified data integration. Data aggregation. Redpoint CDP collects and integrates data from various sources, example, CRM systems, transactional data, social media, web analytics, into a single, unified customer profile. 360-degree view. This comprehensive view enables a detailed understanding of each customer's behavior, preferences, and interactions. 2. Advanced segmentation. Dynamic audience segmentation. Behavioral segmentation. Segment customers based on their behavior, such as purchase history, browsing patterns, and engagement levels. Predictive segmentation. Use machine learning algorithms to predict future behaviors and segment customers accordingly. Real-time segmentation. Create and adjust segments in real time based on the latest customer data. 3. Personalized customer experiences. Targeted campaigns. Personalized messaging. Craft personalized messages and offers based on individual customer profiles and preferences. Omnichannel engagement. Ensure consistent and relevant messaging across all channels, email, social media, web, mobile. Journey orchestration. Customer journeys. Design and automate personalized customer journeys based on their interactions and preferences. Triggered actions. Set up automated responses and actions triggered by specific customer behaviors or events. 4. Data-driven insights. Analytics and reporting. Customer insights generate in-depth insights into customer behavior and campaign performance. ROI measurement. Assess the effectiveness of personalized campaigns and strategies to optimize future efforts. A/B testing. Experimentation. Test different messaging, offers, and channels to determine the most effective approaches for different customer segments. 5. Privacy and compliance. Data governance. Regulatory compliance. Ensure that all customer data handling practices comply with regulations such as GDPR and CCPA. Consent management. Manage and track customer consent preferences for data collection and usage. 6. Integration with other systems. Ecosystem integration. Marketing automation. Integrate with marketing automation platforms to streamline campaign management and execution. Customer service. Link with customer service tools to provide a more cohesive and informed support experience. APIs and connectors. Data flow. Use APIs and connectors to facilitate seamless data flow between Redpoint CDP and other systems within the marketing tech stack. 7. Machine learning and AI. Predictive analytics. Customer predictions. Utilize machine learning models to predict customer behavior and optimize targeting strategies. Recommendation engines. Implement AI-driven recommendation engines to suggest products or content tailored to individual preferences. Redpoint CDP analytics and reporting. Redpoint's Customer Data Platform, CDP, offers a range of analytics and reporting capabilities designed to help businesses leverage their customer data for deeper insights and more effective decision-making. Here's an expanded view of its analytics and reporting features. Analytics in Redpoint CDP. Customer segmentation. Behavioral segmentation. Analyze customer behavior patterns to create targeted segments based on interactions, purchase history, and engagement. Demographic segmentation. Use demographic data to segment customers by age, gender, income, etc. Predictive analytics. Employ machine learning algorithms to predict customer behavior and identify potential high-value customers. Journey analysis. Path analysis. Track and visualize the customer journey across multiple touchpoints to understand the paths leading to conversions or drop-offs. Attribution modeling. Determine the impact of various touchpoints on customer conversions to optimize marketing efforts. Real-time analytics. Live dashboards. Monitor customer activity and campaign performance in real time with interactive dashboards. Streaming data. Analyze real-time data streams to capture and act on immediate customer interactions and behaviors. Cross-channel analytics. Unified view. Aggregate data from various channels, web, mobile, email, social, to get a comprehensive view of customer interactions. Omnichannel attribution. Evaluate the effectiveness of different channels and touchpoints in driving customer actions. Custom reports. Ad hoc reporting. Create custom reports tailored to specific business needs or questions. Scheduled reports. Automate report generation and delivery on a regular basis to keep stakeholders informed. Customer Lifetime Value (CLV) analysis. CLV prediction estimates the potential revenue a customer will generate over their lifetime. Churn prediction. Identify customers at risk of leaving and take proactive measures to retain them. Reporting in Redpoint CDP. Performance metrics. Campaign performance. Track key metrics such as conversion rates, click-through rates, and ROI for marketing campaigns. Engagement metrics. Measure customer engagement levels across different touchpoints and channels. Data visualization. Interactive charts and graphs. Use visual tools to present data in an easily interpretable format. Heat maps. Visualize areas of high customer activity or interest. Compliance and data governance reporting. Data privacy. Generate reports on data usage and compliance with regulations such as GDPR or CCPA. Audit trails. Maintain records of data access and modifications for transparency and compliance. Benchmarking. Industry benchmarks. Compare performance metrics against industry standards to assess relative success. Historical comparisons. Analyze trends over time to understand changes in customer behavior or campaign effectiveness. Actionable insights. Recommendations. Receive automated suggestions based on data analysis to improve marketing strategies or customer engagement. Scenario analysis. Evaluate different scenarios and their potential impact on business outcomes. Why choose ProExcellency for Redpoint CDP online training? Choosing ProExcellency for Redpoint CDP online training might be a good option for several reasons. Expert instructors. ProExcellency often boasts experienced instructors who are well-versed in Redpoint CDP, providing deep insights and practical knowledge. Comprehensive curriculum. They may offer a structured curriculum that covers all essential aspects of Redpoint CDP, from basic concepts to advanced functionalities. Practical training. Their courses might include hands-on exercises, case studies, and real-world scenarios to ensure practical understanding and application of the concepts. Flexible learning. Online training provides flexibility in terms of scheduling and location, making it easier for you to fit the training into your busy schedule. Certification preparation. If you're looking to obtain a certification, ProExcellency might offer specific training that aligns with certification requirements and helps in exam preparation. Support and resources. They could provide additional resources such as access to training materials, forums, and post-training support to help reinforce learning and resolve queries. Reputation. ProExcellency might have a good reputation in the industry for delivering quality training, which can be reassuring when investing in professional development. Thank you.